I'm out here at the AMSAT booth here at Orlando HamCation, and today we're talking with them about what AMSAT is and how to get started working amateur satellites today on KF5IRE Ham Radio.
AMSAT is amateur radio in space. So since 1961, basically at the beginning of the space frontier, amateur operators have put together satellites and launched them to space and allow us to communicate via amateur radio. We've been doing amateur radio in space for now 55 years. So we've had a lot of accomplishments. We've had stuff just like how NASA's contributed to technologies. AMSAT has done the same thing. We hope to continue that as we move forward to more advanced stuff, but we're always looking for volunteers. We're a member organization, and so it's a great way to get in there. Even if you don't know anything, you can get in and you can learn how to design satellites that will eventually get into space. We always want to, number one, have a continuous ability to speak via space communication. Right now, most of that is limited to low Earth orbits. Our goal over the next 5 to 10 years is to continue to push higher. A lower orbit gives a smaller communication footprint. So the higher we go up, the greater amount of people we can do, where we can have transcontinental communication. To get started in amateur radio satellites, most people think you need big fancy equipment, but in actuality, all you need is a handheld antenna and your HT to get started. It helps if you have what we call a dual band HT, one that can both transmit and receive at the same time. In the absence of that, then most people will get two radios, one to use for transmit, one to receive. And the purpose of that is so that they can hear themselves making contact. Because you're chasing a satellite which is about the size of a softball that's traveling at 17,000 miles an hour. So usually a pass is 10 minutes and you're tracking it by hand, and you want to be able to make sure that you're getting into the satellite, so you want to be able to hear yourself. But to get started, the best thing to do would be to start with is to visit our website, amsat.org, and there is a getting started section to help you walk through and understand the basics. And then the fastest way to learn is to be able to, of course, have somebody demonstrate it to you. So usually at a ham fest, there'll be a demonstration of satellite communication, or you may hear somebody. Social media is a great place, Twitter, YouTube. Well, I guess it's not Twitter anymore, it's X. But a lot of communication is on there. Or you can email info@amsat.org and say you want to get started, and we will try to find somebody that's close to you that can help you out.